Hello everyone, myself Priya Zadav from third year SBS Ayurvedic Medical College Mundargi. Today I am going to explain about benign and malignant tumor of genital tract. So benign means what? Benign means a non-cancerous tumor which is not spreadly in body faster, and malignant means cancerous tumor which is grow fastly in our body, and it is become when cells are grow fastly in our body, then disease will become life threatening. So we will discuss about other diseases of so definition of tumor is a solid mass of tissue that forms when abnormal cells group together. Cystic tumors of cervix. Cystic tumors of cervix is also known as Nabothian cyst, retention cyst, obstruction of the mouth of endocervical gland caused by squamous metaplasia, asymptomatic, and there is no treatment is necessary. Then next one is endometrial polyps, which is sessile or pedunculated projection of endometrium. Location is overgrowth of endometrial glands and stroma. Single or multiple most polyps arises from fundus. Asymptomatic, may be necrotic and inflamed or squamous metaplasia, removed by curettage or hysteroscopy. Then next one is solid tumors of cervix, polyps. The most common lesions of cervix arising from the endocervix. Asymptomatic bleeding, and treatment is excision and curettage. Next one is endometrioma of ovary, kysta endometriosis, small superficial blue-black implants, large hemorrhagic cyst. It is also known as chocolate cyst because it looks like a chocolate. Pelvic pain, dyspareunia, infertility, medical or surgical treatment can be given. Then uterine leiomyoma, tumor of myometrium, well circumscribed, non-capsulated, smooth muscles and fibrous connective tissue, myoma, fibroma, fibroid. The most common cyst, common pelvic tumor, intramural, submucous, subserous, parasitic and intraligamentous. And then solid tumors of vulva. Fibroma. The most common benign tumor of vulva most commonly originated from labium majora, pedunculated, asymptomatic pain, pressure and symptoms. Surgical removal treatment can be given. Lipoma, circumscribed tumor of fat cells arising from the subcutaneous. Lipoma, circumscribed tumor of fat cells arising from the subcutaneous tissue of vulva. Labium, it occurs on labium majora. Excision can be given. Cystic tumors of vulva. Bartholin's duct cyst. The most common large cyst of vulva, and it is caused by inflammatory reaction with scarring and occlusion or by trauma. Asymptomatic abscesses, marsupialization and excision. So here diagrammatic representation of tumors are, first one is oviductal cancer, then endometrial carcinoma, ovarian carcinoma, myometrial sarcoma, cervical cancer, vaginal cancer, and the last one is vulval cancer. Thank you everyone. I hope you all understand this topic.